Hello students, in this session we will discuss about typedef and self-referential structure. Here the first concept, typedef. Here typedef stands for type definition. C language supports one keyword typedef that allows the user to specify a new name for the existing data types. Here, the general format, it starts with the keyword typedef space existing data type space new name. Here, the existing data type is either a primitive data type or user defined data type. For primitive data types and user defined data types, it is possible to place a new name with the help of typedef keyword. Let us consider these examples. Typedef int integer. Here int is a primitive data type. Now for this data type we assign a new name as integer. Now we create variables as integer x comma y comma z. So another example, typedef space char space gender. So here the primitive data type char is specified with a new name as gender. Now we create variables for gender. Now this one, typedef space char space string of 10. So character of 10 is a character array and this array is specified with the new name as string. Now we create variables for string. Remember one important point, typedef does not create any new data types. It just assigns a new name for the existing data type. Okay? This one important point. Typedef keyword is useful when we use with user defined data types like structure. When a structure is defined with the help of typedef keyword, then tag, that means name of the structure, is optional. Let us example, typedef struct. Here we are not specifying any name of the structure. Open brace. Now we place two members, real and image, and curly brace. Now this entire data type is referred with a new name as complex. Now we create variables for complex data type like complex space k. Now it shows an example program for typedef keyword with structure. This one previous format. Here we are creating complex data type. Main program. Now complex k. Now in complex number, two parts are available, real part and imaginary part. First read those two input values. Now enter real part and then enter imaginary part. And finally we are printing the complex number. Complex number is %.2f plus I%.2f. Here the members are k.real and k.image. So this one typedef keyword. Next concept, self-referential structure. Here while defining a structure, if we place at least one member that points to same structure type, then it is referred as self-referential structure. Now it shows the general format, struct tag open brace data type member 1, data type member 2, and so on. Struct tag asterisk member. Here member is a pointer variable and it points to same structure type as struct tag. This one example, struct list open brace int info struct list asterisk link and curly brace ends with a semicolon. Here we place one member link that points to same structure type as struct list. Hence it refers to self-referential structure. Okay. Thank you one and all.